Data management is a very interesting and a very important area for customers. Every business generates data, whether it's an airline reservation system, whether it's a retail, it generates data. And that data is typically generated by some sort of a mission-critical 24/7 system. And that system needs to be scalable, it needs to be highly available, it needs to be globally available across the board to its customers. And once the data is generated, it goes through the pipeline to where the business analyst and the business side of the customer's environment needs to look at that data and make key business decisions to compete and to efficientize their processes and so forth and so on. So our services follow the entire data life cycle. One of the great examples I can give you is a customer that we worked with recently who worked with nonprofit organizations. And they were having a significant problem because a lot of their customers who are nonprofit organizations, they rely for majority of the contribution to come around very at the end of the year, around the Christmas time, when people are very generous and they want to have tax deductions and so forth and so on. And around that time, they would start having performance problems with their mission critical applications. So it was directly impacting their ability to actually collect that revenue and record it in a timely fashion. We got involved with the customer and we helped them build an architecture that would scale based on the demands of the customer. So for example, if they had a customer that was suddenly got a very significant level of contributions, they don't have to change anything in the back end. The back end was smart enough to scale itself. It's what we call agility. It was agile enough to scale it and accommodate the increased transaction rates. One of the things that we're doing is we are truly becoming a global organization, and in order to become a global organization and service clients across the world, we have to have the right structure in place. We have to have the right responsibilities, roles and responsibilities for appropriate teams and individuals. So what we try to do is we want to make sure that we have the structure, we have people understand where they belong within the organization, what their roles and responsibilities are, and how they can help the company grow in a global way. So we're really keeping a very global perspective to everything we're doing right now as we expect to increase our revenues around the world significantly over the next few years. We are in technology services business, and human capital means everything. Our people go on site to customers and solve their problems. And in order to do that in a successful way and keep growing, we've got to take care of our human capital. We actually officially created the human capital management team and recruited people who understand the intricacies and the importance of it. The very first step would be to go to our website, which we have overhauled significantly, and it talks about our core competencies, talks about our industry experience, and talks about the kind of skill set we have and the caliber of people we have to help them solve data management problems and provide solutions around that. The other thing was that we have sales representatives servicing across the different territories in the region. So they can obviously contact them and get more information regarding how we can help them solve the problems. We're very excited about being ready to service our customers in the data management space. So please contact us so we can help you get more from your data.